Choosing the wrong business bank account could be costing you more than you think. From hidden fees to clunky apps, it all adds up. Today, I'm going to help you out by breaking down the top 5 business bank accounts in the UK. So, if you're just starting out or looking for better or different features as you grow, we've got the information you need. Hi, I'm Ian Townsend and welcome back to Business Expert, where we help UK entrepreneurs and small business owners make smart financial decisions. And today, we're going straight to the point, comparing the best business bank accounts in the UK. These aren't just for keeping your money safe, we're talking about low fees, easy integrations and tools that actually help you to run your business better. Let's dive into what each bank offers and see which one suits your needs. Why is picking the right business bank account so important? Well, it's not just where your money sits, it's about getting the features and support that help you to run your business more smoothly. For you, that might be low fees, tracking expenses, or making sure your bank works with your accounting software. First up is Tide, and the best thing about the Tide account is how easy and fast it is to set up. You can get started in minutes and there's no monthly fee, which is a big win if you're just starting out or trying to keep your costs down. The best thing about Tide is definitely the absence of monthly fees. It's a budget-friendly option, especially if you don't want to spend a lot on banking when you're just starting out. Another plus, Tide integrates really easily with Xero and QuickBooks, so if you're using those for your accounting, that's going to save you a lot of time come tax season. Tide's also got some handy tools for managing expenses, perfect if you want something that helps with tracking your business costs. But you might find it frustrating that Tide only offers online customer support. If you're someone who prefers talking to a human on the phone when things go wrong, that could be a downside. Also, no overdraft options here, so if you need a bit of wiggle room with your cash flow, it might not be the best choice for you. Tide also charges £1 per cash deposit via PayPoint, so if you deal with a lot of cash, that fee could add up. Tide is a great pick if you're a freelancer, sole trader, or running a small business that doesn't need a ton of extra features, but values low cost and really fast setup. Next up is Starling Bank. This one is a really strong option if you like to handle everything from your phone. It's got one of the best mobile apps out there, and the best part, no monthly fees for business banking. The best thing about Starling is definitely its mobile app. It's really user-friendly and packed with features, making it easy to stay on top of things while you're on the go. Plus, Starling doesn't charge for transactions in the UK or abroad, so if you travel or deal with overseas clients, you won't get stung by fees for spending abroad. And let's not forget, you can also deposit cash at the post office, which is great if you need to handle physical money, but still want the perks of a digital bank. Oh, and there's 24/7 support, so if you need help late at night or on the weekend, they've got you covered. Now, the downside with Starling Bank is that there are no physical branches, so if you're the kind of person that likes to walk into a bank and talk to someone, it might not work for you. And while Starling does offer overdrafts, it's not the best option if you're looking for bigger loans or credit facilities. Starling's great for small to medium-sized businesses that prefer a digital-first experience and don't want to be hit with fees for every transaction. It's especially useful if you travel or do business abroad. Now, if your business deals with international payments, Revolut is probably the best fit for you. The standout feature? Multi-currency support. You can hold and exchange money in over 25 currencies, which is a game changer if you work with clients or suppliers overseas. The best thing about Revolut is how easy it is to manage multiple currencies. If your business deals internationally, you'll love the low exchange rates and the ability to hold and transfer money without big fees. They also offer expense management tools which let you issue prepaid cards to employees and track spending. That's super helpful if you've got a team making purchases. And like Tide and Starling, Revolut integrates with your accounting software, so no more manual number crunching at the end of the month. But here's the thing, you only get a limited number of free transactions with the free plan, so if you make a lot of payments, you'll probably need to upgrade to a paid plan. Another thing that might bug you, customer support can be a bit slow, especially if you're not paying for one of the higher tier accounts. Revolut is best for e-commerce businesses, startups with international clients, or really any business handling multiple currencies. It's a strong pick if you're looking for low foreign exchange fees and need an account that works globally. All right, let's talk about Barclays. This is a more traditional option and it's perfect if you prefer a bank with physical branches. Barclays offers a startup business account with 12 months of free banking, which is a nice bonus if you're trying to keep costs down in the early days. The best thing about Barclays is undoubtedly that they give you a full free year of banking. If you're starting out, that can save you quite a bit. And if you prefer banking face-to-face, you'll appreciate the fact that Barclays has branches all over the UK. So if you need to pop in and deal with cash or just like an in-person service, then it's there for you. They also offer a range of extra business services like loans, overdrafts, even business insurance, which makes Barclays a good all-in-one solution. That said, after the first year, you're going to start paying monthly fees and some of their transaction charges can add up, especially if you're handling a lot of cash. The online and app experience isn't quite as slick as the newer digital-only banks like Starling or Monzo, but it's not terrible either. Barclays is a solid choice if you're a startup that wants a mix of digital and physical banking options, or if you like the idea of a trusted, established bank. Last up in our list today is Monzo. Monzo's a favourite among smaller businesses and freelancers who love doing everything via their phone. The great thing about Monzo is that it offers a pro account for just £5 a month, and that comes with a ton of features like invoicing tools and expense management. The best part about Monzo is how easy it is to manage your expenses. You can track spending, issue invoices, and even calculate your tax all through the app. The Pro plan is really affordable at just £5 a month, and that adds a lot of value if you need those extra tools. The app itself is super intuitive, which makes day-to-day banking really simple, even if you're not particularly tech savvy. But if you're going for the free plan, it's pretty basic. You'll miss out on those handy features like invoicing, so you might find it a bit limited if your business is more than just a side hustle. And one downside, Monzo doesn't offer overdrafts or loans, so you'll need to look elsewhere if you need credit. Monzo works best for small businesses or freelancers who want an easy-to-use app with some useful extra tools. If you're already handling your own bookkeeping or invoicing, the Pro account can save you a lot of hassle. So there you have it. If you want something simple and low cost, Tide is great for that. If you need a digital-first experience with no fees, Starling might be your best bet. For international businesses, Revolut is where you'll save on those currency exchanges. If you like the security of a big traditional bank, Barclays is pretty solid, especially with their year of free banking. And for small businesses or freelancers who want a strong app with some extra tools, Monzo Pro is a fantastic choice. If this helps you figure out which bank account might work for you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more business tips. You can find links to compare these accounts in more detail down in the description, and let me know in the comments which account you're thinking of switching to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.